There is really no problem as far as supply is concerned. Ang problema talaga natin ay yung disconnect between farm gate, pagdating sa retail, tumataas siya kahit hindi pa naman siya dapat tumaas. Lalo na ang imports because yung imports ay matagal ng stock yan. No? Yung mga pork imported ay nasa cold storages, yung mga bigas ay matagal na nasa warehouse, and yet even DA admitted na may pagtaas yung mga imported products, especially rice and pork.
Well, sir, ito na po ang ikalawang linggo na rin naman ng may rollback po pagdating sa presyo ng petrolyo. Masasabi niyo po ba na malaki kahit papano yung magiging impact niyan sa production costs ng mga magsasaka?
Kahit bumaba siya ng 20 pesos by tomorrow, that's still double the price ng diesel at malaki pa rin ang tinaas sa gasoline. So, in terms of production cost, at least 50% ang itataas niya come planting ng ating mga farmers next month. Kaya, as I said, it's crucial na yung next 4 weeks, farmers should be assured and encouraged to farm if they see na merong government support coming. Imagine, from 60,000 per hectare production cost sa palay per hectare, they would be needing around 100,000 this time. Yung corn, ganun din, from 80,000, they're expecting around 120,000 per hectare sa production cost. Ibig sabihin, malaki talaga yung dinagdag, and yung ayuda, as we all know, it's little and marami pang di nakakatanggap. The 10 billion na in-announce ng government is just, sabi nga nila, 2,000 each per farmer and per fisher cook. Napakaliit. So, ang kailangan talaga is sustained support para ma-encourage ang ating mga farmers to continue planting by next month and June.